Nestled on the pristine sands of Motu Tevairoa, Hotel Le Bora Bora by Pearl Resorts invites you to experience the newly renovated splendor of a four-star paradise. As a proud member of Relais Châteaux, this resort is a tapestry of natural materials and traditional architecture, embodying the circular flame of Polynesian dance, the vibrant heart of South Seas culture. Choose from a variety of accommodations, each offering a unique experience. Overwater bungalows provide direct lagoon access, while intimate suites boast private gardens and pools. For the ultimate luxury, the Royal Beach Villa offers unparalleled space and amenities. All rooms are designed with meticulous Polynesian decoration, ensuring an authentic and comfortable stay. Just a 10-minute boat ride from the airport and a stone's throw from the main island, the resort's secluded location guarantees privacy and tranquility. Complimentary amenities such as lemon juice and a refreshing towel welcome you upon arrival, while shuttle services ensure easy access to local attractions. Savor a blend of French, Polynesian, and international cuisine across various dining options. Tevairoa Restaurant and Mickey Bar and Grill cater to all tastes, with room service available around the clock. Don't miss the Polynesian buffet and show every Monday evening for a taste of local culture. The Tavai Spa, a sanctuary of wellness, offers traditional treatments and a unique foot massage experience. Stay active with a range of water sports, fitness activities, and a dive center. For those looking to commemorate their stay, a tattooing room with a renowned artist awaits. Children are greeted with beach toys or candies, and a children's menu is available to cater to their tastes. Free activities and equipment ensure that the entire family can enjoy the crystal-clear waters and beautiful surroundings. Hotel Le Bora Bora by Pearl Resorts is committed to sustainable development and accepts a variety of credit cards for convenience. With free Wi-Fi and a host of room facilities, your stay is guaranteed to be as comfortable as it is memorable. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a touch of romance, Hotel Le Bora Bora by Pearl Resorts offers a slice of paradise with a commitment to excellence. Book your dream vacation now, and let the spirit of Bora Bora transform your holiday into an unforgettable experience. Book with a Bora Bora specialist at Far and Away Adventures.